Are you tired of dealing with tangled cords and limited mobility while tackling your DIY projects? Cordless drills have revolutionized the way we approach home improvement, combining power, portability, and convenience in one handy tool. Whether you're a seasoned professional or a weekend warrior, finding the right cordless drill can make all the difference in your work. In this video, we'll explore the best cordless drills on the market, highlighting their features, benefits, and what to consider when making your choice. Let's dive in. Find all the product links mentioned in this video in the description box below. For more comprehensive details, visit our website consumerfinds.com. Like this video, subscribe our channel, and click the notification bell for the latest updates. Ready for the list? Let's jump right in. Number 5. CRAFTSMAN V20, our find for best budget cordless drill. If you're searching for a reliable cordless drill that fits your budget while effectively managing light to medium projects, the CRAFTSMAN 18-volt cordless drill could be the ideal choice for you. It stands out as a dependable tool that balances affordability with essential functionality, making it a valuable addition to your toolkit. Don't underestimate its performance based solely on the price. While it may not compete with high-end models in terms of speed or raw power, this drill is designed to handle everyday tasks with ease. You can count on it to swiftly drive smaller fasteners and manage larger 2.5-inch screws in thick wood with surprising efficiency. While drilling through materials with a 1-inch paddle bit may take a bit more time compared to premium brushless options, the CRAFTSMAN still performs reliably. It's important to note that this drill has a slightly extended head, measuring 8.25 inches long and weighs 3.5 pounds. Its size might influence your choice if you're looking for something ultra-portable. In summary, the CRAFTSMAN cordless drill offers consistent performance without the heavy price tag, making it a smart choice for anyone looking to tackle DIY projects with confidence and ease. Whether you're a seasoned DIYer or just starting out, this drill can become an invaluable companion in your home improvement endeavors. Number 4. DEWALT XTREME, our find for best lightweight cordless drill. Are you looking for a reliable and lightweight cordless drill that won't weigh you down during your projects? Look no further than the DEWALT XTREME. With a power source that is hand-powered, this drill operates efficiently with a brushless motor designed for optimal performance and runtime. Operating at a maximum rotational speed of 1,500 revolutions per minute, this tool is perfect for a variety of tasks. The 12-volt, 2-ampere setup ensures you have the power you need without sacrificing portability. The 3/8-inch ratcheting chuck allows you to use a wide range of bits, making it versatile enough for different applications, whether you're working on home improvement tasks or professional jobs. The DEWALT XTREME features a 2-speed transmission along with 15 clutch settings, providing you with fine control for any project. An LED footlight enhances visibility in tight or dimly lit spaces, ensuring you never miss a detail. Weighing just 1.9 pounds, it's designed for ease of use over extended periods without causing fatigue. For added convenience, this drill comes kitted with 2-ampere-hour batteries that include a state of charge indicator, so you'll always know when it's time to recharge. With the DEWALT XTREME, you'll experience the perfect combination of lightweight design and powerful functionality that meets all your drilling needs. Still searching for the perfect cordless drill? Don't give up just yet. We've got more in store for you. If this is your first time here, make sure to subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on our latest videos. You won't be disappointed. Number 3. Makita XT269M, our find for best heavy-duty cordless drill. Are you tired of your drill giving out mid-project or feeling burdened by a heavy tool? Introducing the Makita XT269M, the reliable companion you need for all your DIY tasks. This isn't just any drill. It's a robust powerhouse equipped with an efficient BL brushless motor, delivering up to 50% longer runtimes on a single charge. You'll find yourself completing projects with ease, minimizing the need for frequent breaks. Say goodbye to the hassle of carbon brushes. The Makita XT269M operates cooler and smarter, adjusting torque and RPM to meet the demands of your specific project. With a maximum torque of 530 inch-pounds from the half-inch hammer driver drill and a lightweight design of only 4.2 pounds, it feels like a natural extension of your hand, allowing you to work longer without fatigue. The variable speed impact driver offers up to 3,400 revolutions per minute and delivers an impressive 1,500 inch-pounds of torque, making it perfect for a multitude of tasks, whether you're tightening screws or tackling tougher projects. At just 3.3 pounds. With the battery, this efficient tool empowers you to take on any challenge without feeling weighed down. Elevate your DIY game with the Makita XT269M and harness the potential to build, fix, or unleash your creativity. You're not just purchasing a drill, you're investing in a tool that enhances your skills and helps you bring your vision to life. Number 2. DEWALT 20V Max XR are fine for best cordless hammer drill. If you find yourself struggling with DIY projects due to awkward angles or clunky tools, the DEWALT cordless hammer drill is here to elevate your experience. With a compact size of just 6.37 inches, this drill is designed to fit into tight spaces that other drills simply can't reach. Its shorter length doesn't compromise on power. You still get impressive performance, allowing you to tackle tasks with ease. One standout feature is the half-inch metal ratcheting chuck, which ensures your drill bits stay securely in place. No more fumbling or interruptions while you work. With this level of bit retention, you'll be able to focus entirely on your project without worrying about equipment failure. You also have the advantage of professional-grade speed and control right at your fingertips. The DEWALT cordless hammer drill features a variable trigger, high-speed transmission, and 2-speed settings, empowering you to adjust your drilling pace based on the job at hand. Whether you're embarking on a weekend project or racing against the clock to impress your in-laws, this drill is engineered to support your ambitions and help you achieve your goals. Get ready to enhance your DIY skills and take pride in your accomplishments with the DEWALT cordless hammer drill as your trusted companion. With its reliability and versatility, you'll not only complete tasks efficiently, but also enjoy the process. Before we unveil the top find, don't forget to explore the description below for the latest deals on each of these items. And if you want to stay informed about the best products on the market, make sure to subscribe. Number 1. Bosch PS31, our find for best cordless drill overall. If you're searching for a drill that combines power and lightweight design, the Bosch drill should be at the top of your list. This exceptional tool elevates your DIY projects, proving that compact tools can deliver impressive performance. It's not just another addition to your toolkit, it's a reliable partner for every home improvement challenge. The Bosch drill's versatility is one of its standout features, consistently outperforming competitors in performance and maneuverability. With 2-speed settings and precise torque adjustments, you can tackle various tasks, whether you're driving screws into wood or drilling into tougher materials, with ease and precision. While it may come at a higher price point than some other drills, investing in the Bosch drill means choosing quality that endures. The kit includes a soft carrying case and two 2-ampere-hour batteries, ensuring you won't have to interrupt your work to search for power. This thoughtful design keeps you focused on your projects without the frustration of low battery. Whether you're a seasoned DIY enthusiast or simply need a tool for hanging shelves, the Bosch drill is engineered to be your dependable ally. Its sturdy construction and sleek aesthetic will inspire confidence as you take on new challenges. Choose Bosch for a drill that not only meets your needs but elevates your entire DIY experience. Get ready to enhance your skills and enjoy every step of your projects. That's a wrap. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, be sure to give it a like and subscribe. And let us know in the comment which cordless drill you are going to choose. Thanks for watching. We will see you in our next videos.